Hi there. So my name is Brittany Lee Harrod, and this is my introduction about myself. My name is Brittany Lee Harrod. This is the picture of me and my husband Brent and our two children, Graydon and Lindley. I teach at Hamburg High School, and I teach business education. I plan to continue teaching business education at Hamburg High School. My expectations of the master's program is to better prepare me to be an amazing teacher. I started dating my husband whenever I was in the 5th grade, and we've been married for 11 and a half years, and we have 8-year-old boy-girl twins. So that is something interesting about myself. And then this is a picture of my classroom. So there it is. That's the introduction of me.